Welcome to Adventure Hunger. Today we are going to be making our soft and fluffy banana chocolate chip muffins.
The ingredients you'll be needing today are 3 ripe bananas, 1.5 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg, 1/3 cup butter, 1 teaspoon of choosing of salt, 3 cups sugar, white or brown, 1/3 cup chocolate chip morsels, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, either spray or line your muffin tin and prepare your dry ingredients by mixing all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Sift the ingredients and set them aside. Next, we are going to mash the 3 bananas. Mash the bananas thoroughly so there are not big lumps. Add the 3 cups of sugar and the egg. Fold the ingredients till fully mixed. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/3 cup of warm melted butter, and the chocolate chip morsels. Next, fold in the dry ingredients and mix the batter until it is smooth. Scoop the batter into the muffin tins, leaving some room at the top for it to fluff. Stick the muffins in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. When they have risen and are golden brown, they are ready to be taken out of the oven. Allow them to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then enjoy! Thank you for watching!